I'm sure you've heard the news. Malinois dogs are taking over the world, one adorable paw at a time. These Belgian beauties aren't just about looks, they're packed with energy and smarts. Imagine a dog who can outsmart your entire family during a game of fete. Yep, that's the Malinois. They're loyal, protective, and make fantastic companions for active folks. Love hiking or running? This dog will be your best workout buddy. And their trainability, off the charts. But remember, they need lots of exercise and mental stimulation. So if you're a couch potato, this might not be your match. But if you're ready for an adventure, the Malinois is the ultimate sidekick. Adopt one and experience the joy of a lifetime.